In this video, you are going to see how to separate a column into two column and bullet points in Microsoft Word document. Let me select the text, go to home, go to the bullets and choose a bullet points. Let me select the first one, click on over here. I want to make it into two columns. Now let me select this, go to column and click on two column. Then I want to break from over here. Just click on before this number and go to layout, go to break and click on column break, and here you will see this is in the two column. So in this way you can put the text into columns, or here we can apply another easy method. Let me add some text under this. Now select it, go to column and click on two column, then it will be separated into two columns. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.